The last thing you want to deal with at 3 o'clock in the morning is a spinning loading icon on your smartphone screen while your baby is crying in the other room. We live in a world where every single gadget in the house is trying to connect to the internet, but sometimes that connectivity is more of a curse than a blessing. This is exactly why a basic, no-frills baby monitor from VTech has remained such a staple for new parents who just want a device that works every single time. It skips the wireless internet entirely. It skips the glitchy apps. It skips the complicated pairing processes that make you want to throw your router out the window. Instead, you get a dedicated handheld unit and a camera that talk only to each other. This creates a completely closed loop of security. You never have to worry about a stranger hacking into your nursery feed or your internet connection dropping out in the middle of a heavy thunderstorm. The setup is so simple that a totally sleep-deprived parent could do it in their sleep. You literally just plug the camera into a wall outlet near the crib and turn on the parent unit. They find each other in seconds. There are no pairing codes to type in and no account registrations required. The battery life on the handheld part is actually quite impressive compared to many of the high-end models on the market today. It can run for about 16 hours on its own. This means you can keep it with you all day while you move from the kitchen to the laundry room without constantly hunting for a charging cable. The screen is a bit on the small side, sitting at just under 3 inches. But it provides a clear enough view to see if your little one is actually sleeping or just wiggling around. Now, you should know that the video quality is not going to win any awards for clarity. It is standard definition. During the day, the image looks fine, but at night, the infrared vision can get a little bit grainy. You will be able to see the baby perfectly well, but you might not see every tiny twitch of their eyelashes. The audio can also sound a bit thin or robotic at times. It gets the job done, but it is definitely not high-fidelity sound. Another thing to consider is the manual adjustment of the lens. If you need to change the angle of the camera, you have to walk into the nursery and physically tilt it by hand. There's no remote control to pan or tilt the camera from the other room. This might feel like a step backward for tech lovers, but it also means there are fewer moving parts that could break over time. For the best result, you want to mount that camera about 3 to 6 feet away from the crib. Just make sure it is not pointing at a bright lamp or a reflective mirror, or the night vision will struggle to balance the light properly. Many people find this to be the ultimate budget-friendly choice because it is incredibly reliable over long periods of time. It includes those extra bits like temperature alerts and preloaded lullabies too. It is the kind of device you buy when you realize that fancy features often just lead to fancy problems. It is simple, secure, and stays powered up through the night. If you do not care about seeing a high-definition stream on your phone and just want a dependable way to keep an eye on your kid, this straightforward monitor is a fantastic option that will not break the bank.